Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies, keto of course, and I'm gonna start with my food processor. And so I always just blend everything in the food processor instead of getting out this bowl or that bowl. And I'm gonna start with my baking blend, and what that is it's 1 part almond flour and then a half part flaxseed meal and then a half part coconut flour. I find that that's the best blend for my baking. I think if it has too much coconut flour it gets too dense, and if it's too much almond flour it gets too puffy, so I feel like adding the flaxseed in there helps. So in this recipe it calls for 1 1/4 cups, so I'm actually doubling the recipe. So I'm going to put 2 1/2 cups. I'm going to put in 12 tablespoons of coconut oil. So I have my coconut oil in there, and now I'm going to put in my Just Like Sugar. It's a bag of it. This is the brown sugar one, but they also make a white one, and it tastes really good. It doesn't have any aftertaste, and I like it because it's only chicory root. There's nothing else in it, and it's expensive though. It's like 20 bucks for 16 ounces, but I feel good about putting it in my body, and I like the way it tastes. Most importantly, put a 1.5 cups of that in. Almond butter in, and again it's 12 tablespoons, just like the coconut oil. Three teaspoons of vanilla. I got this really good vanilla from my girlfriend. She got it in Mexico. It's nice to have something that's not just from the store. In Mexico, the vanillas are really, really good. And 2 eggs. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I know professional bakers would be disgusted at the way I do this because I don't blend it up the way I should, but so now I'm going to put 2 1/2 cups of these Lily's chocolate chips. So now I'm just going to stir in the chocolate chips. Handy scooper, I love this thing. What it does is it makes sure all the cookies are the same size, and it's just easy to work with. So just fill it up and set it on there.
I'm going to take a fork and smush them down, but I'm going to hold on to the sides while I do it.
And I'll put these in for 6 minutes and then turn them around after 6 minutes on 325. So the cookies are finished. They're not that pretty, but they taste really good, and they're low carb, or like almost no carbs, and they taste really good. I usually have them for breakfast. I love them in the morning, and I usually have them with some almond milk, and I dip the cookies into my almond milk, and it's just like cookies and milk when you're a little girl. Actually not, but they're really good. And then I store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container, and they last a couple weeks. I actually traveled with them last time because they're really fibrous, and so they're really good when you travel because they really clean you out. So with all of my videos, if you are on a desktop, you click on the Show More button at the bottom right-hand corner of the video, and it'll show you all the products I used and links to buy them, and the amounts and the measurements and everything. And if you're on a tablet or a device, then you're going to want to go down below all of the other videos that are on the right there underneath mine, and then you'll see the Show More button. So it's kind of tricky, but it's there, and all the links and everything are there. So thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.